Okay, so for about 2 weeks now, I guess 2 weeks, well, since the first release of btwm, I've been using it exclusively on my main window manager. And it works. There were a couple of issues at the start, especially with Electron applications. They weren't closing properly, since there is this WCCCM, I think, standard that some applications use. So yeah, so I did a couple of bug fixes with that. Since then, I didn't really have any issue with btwm, but I've started noticing some things that could be better. So one thing I've noticed is that it feels really unnatural to have the split mode being exited on any other action. So, maybe it's just that I'm used to the behavior where when I move a window to a certain tag, right? If there are two windows on a single tag, they stay like that. And in btwm, if you enter split mode and then go to a different tag, well, that split mode is gone. And these windows never were on a single tag, right? So this is something I was considering, like split mode persistence. So it's not really split mode, you join two tags together. But then we are really going into the realm of DWM tags. And on one side, I don't really think that would be that bad. On the other, why use btwm then? But then I'm not sure about that. It might be just because I used DWM for such a long time that I just got used to it. Now this thing, I've created an issue for it. This is the only issue in btwm right now, and I was actually contemplating this a lot because what this is about is to allow the user to move certain application to a specific tag. So like reconfigure its tag, change its tag. Now there are two approaches for this. And the first one is that you can move window up and down in the tag hierarchy. And the second one is that you can just take a window and move it to a specific tag. Now there is a problem with moving a window to a specific tag. And I actually wasn't sure if I want to implement this because it kind of breaks the whole MVP thing. So the thing with moving into a specific tag is that do you allow the user to move it to any tag? If so, it really breaks the idea of the tags. Because let's say I move window from tag 2 to tag 0. So yeah, moving to a specific tag, not really a big fan of this. But moving it up and down the tags is also kinda not the greatest because we don't have a bar, so it's hard to really visualize it. It's like moving from 6 to 1. It's 5 clicks. That's a lot of clicks. And I also don't like the idea of I would put it on mod shift J, mod shift K. And I feel like it exceeds the scope of the tags because all actions related to tags are on the number row, right? Each tag has a number, you press a number with some combination and it does some action related to that tag. And this would kind of break this convention. Now the third option is kind of hybrid, which wouldn't break the first, it wouldn't break the, tag architecture, let's say, where tags are stacked next to each other. That would be that you can swap windows. You are on tag 6, you press mode control 2, and you basically swap them. Yeah, and I just came up with this. I hate it. So I like the most the idea to actually allow the user to move it to a specific tag, but only in the range of present tags. So if he presses a tag, let's say you have open 3 applications open, and you try to move a client to tag 4 or tag 5, you cannot do that. Because I don't want there, because in this way you would be able to create gaps in tags. And I just don't want that. But actually, maybe if you do that, it could just move it to the last tag. That could be something. No, if there are 3 applications open and you are on tag 2, you try to move it to tag 5, it just moves it tag 3. Is it better than not doing anything? I don't know. I was actually fairly. I was I kinda decided to go with the specific tag route, but now that I think of the general idea of how the tags work, kinda like moving them up and down better. Because what does it mean to move something to a specific tag? Actually, the main issue, well, 2 issues with moving something up and down the hierarchy. First one is it's a lot of clicks and it's inconvenient and it's easy to get lost, right? It's because you don't have the visual representation of tags, so it's very easy to want to move something to tag 2 and move it only to tag 3. So this is actually 2 issues. And the third issue is that I would use JNK for this, and one feature btwm is lacking is that there's only 10 tags. So in theory, you can, if you open more than 10 applications, you cannot focus any, the 11th one, 12th one, etc. So it would be nice to just do mod JNK to kind of go through the view stack. Maybe not the tags. Well, I won't really think about this now. It doesn't matter because this is something I assume I will implement at some point. For now, I don't care because I just think if you have more than 10 applications open, you are stupid. So I don't really care about it for now. But yeah, this is an actual issue that should be resolved sometime in the future. Yeah, I actually think the moving one by one is worse, but it fits btwm better. So maybe that means something about this window manager in general, right? That the worst option is the best one. Yeah, I think I will go with it, and I will try it out. I am actually not sure I will release it in the end if I won't roll it back because it does break the MVP. It's not really a necessary feature. It's not really something that you really need. It's something you could live without. So I'll see how often I use it, because I do like to have my clients grouped, right? So I like to have them on tags next to each other if they are in the same context space. But I don't know if it matters that much to me. So we'll see. For now, let's just implement it. So I've created a branch because it's time to, since now it's kind of public project, I guess. Not that I expect any contributions, but it is a public project, so I decided to have a better commit structure. Okay, so now there are two places we can implement it, because is it client or is it clients? I think it's clients, because client has all logic about the X protocol, and it has nothing related to clients. So I think clients should take care of that. Now there are, this would be move down and move up, right? Um, move down, move tag down. We should move one tag down so it's more obvious that we're moving the client, we're not moving the tag. So yeah, for I need and we just swap two clients together. So we move it down. If the client move, then clients and then we just do the classic swap. Actually, can you do it in a cool way? You can do it very nicely in C# like this. Clients I -1. Client. I don't know if this will work. Equals. Oh, you don't do the parents. And can you do something like this? Actually, I will check on the browser. Yeah, you can do that. That's cool. So that's basically that. Let's move one tag down. You could, in theory, this is reusable, right? You can just Oh wait, what if it's it's this. Okay. And then we do the same here. Move one tag up and actually what the hell am I doing? I'm doing it like this. Yeah, so this is just moving one tag up, one tag down. Okay. Then we have what do we need now? We need to create command. No, we need to um, now we need up, tag down. Okay, this and this. And then we need commands. We need to create a command for that. Tag down command, which is just like this. I have to add a shortcut for this. Instead of typing. Yeah, no, I did a type. Yeah, that's that. And now we just add to the key bindings. Maybe let's commit it. Now there is one issue. I won't be able to test it actually. The reason for that is that I removed the scripts. Oh, actually, that's one issue. The Zephyr doesn't work in btwm, and I have no idea why. So I won't even try to fix that. So I want this with shift. Oh, I don't know what J and K are. Okay, so for now I will just do 99 here. Oh, great, I have to do this now. Why can I use it? The returns command. Oh my god. Maybe there is some better name for this. Actually, it's not Windows client. Commands. Okay. It's a little bit shorter, but still, that's long. Lot of clicking. Okay. I will actually write it on this app. Up, and this will be down. Oh no, it will be. Oh my god, that's. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so now maybe let's see if I can find it. If there's some yep. J. Oh. J and K, J and K, J and K. Keep event K. J. 44, 45. Great. So 44, 45. Okay, so this should be it. Yeah, this should be it. Let's comment that and move up and keep it. Okay, and that's basically it. I won't test it live because I have no way to do that. So maybe I missed something and it doesn't work, but I will know only after after I rerun the window manager and test offline. Actually, I can test online. I can just edit it. So I will do that. Okay, so here we are. Let's try it. Stop. This is Vim. It's cleared. So yeah, and let's now move this down. Work. Let's move this down. Yeah, it works. Let's move up. Oh, doesn't work. I moved down twice. Okay. it seems that both options move down. Okay. So it must be here. Well, not here. Move on the. No. What the hell? I didn't update it? I didn't save. Yeah, I didn't save. Wow. Okay. Uh, it's supposed to be more. Uh, okay, so another commit. Okay, so it. And I guess I'll see you again. Okay, so here we are, 2, 3, 4, and down, and up. Yep, down, and up. Yep, so everything works as expected. So that would be it.